What up, gang? Booba617. Welcome back to the channel. So today we're gonna do three things. We're gonna unbox, we're gonna review, and we're gonna install some WeatherTech rain guards on my BMW X5 M Sport. Let's get right into step one, which is unboxing. Let's do it. So this is what we get, right? Let's see. Now it should be 4 pieces. I only see 2. I'm hoping that the other 2 are in here. Or it says right there, rear parts enclosed here. Perfect. There's some more tape. Take that out. Just want to see how durable these things are. I mean, it's WeatherTech, so I'm pretty sure that these are really good and tested. All right, so with the rain guard out of the packaging, this is one of the fronts. I got the WeatherTech brand. I thought it was embossed, but it's actually a sticker. Okay. It's solid plastic. Pretty smooth. Not sure what that is. Probably part number. All right, let me take the rear ones out. Okay, yep. Now the rear ones, as you can see, have tape on them, so most likely is gonna lead to having to tape. These are inserts, so they do not stick out. I wanted to make sure that these were the ones that go inside the window, and not the ones that you have to double-sided tape on the outside. Even though these have double-sided tape, is more because they want to make sure it's secure when you open your window and they don't fly out on the highway. So here we have the receipt. Grand total of $121.20 after shipping and taxes. Little on the expensive side for what they are, which is just plastic, but you know what? I wanted to go with WeatherTech. It seemed when I was on the market that these were the only ones that did the insert into the channels instead of the out. If you do want to go with the ones that you stick on, they're like $40, so on Amazon. So you could definitely go that route. I just wanted to do the inserts. So review-wise, I would say their build is really nice. They feel like solid plastic, so I shouldn't have any issues with them breaking apart or anything like that. It is from a trusted company, WeatherTech. So, I mean, we'll see, right? I'm gonna put them on and see how they do in the long run. This is what it looks like without the rain guards. And then obviously after install them, I'll do the before and after shots. I'm gonna also be doing a video on reviewing the Viper Smart Start for the BMW X5. But for now, let's just do a cold start with it. So the first thing that we have to do is obviously put the window down. Luckily, I could do that with the key fob. I don't gotta go in the car, turn it on or anything. Put the window down. All right. Let's take this little sticker off that says stop, read instructions, because it did bring some instructions. Pretty straightforward instructions. Take all those little tapes off. All right, first thing you want to do, if you take a look, make sure that you got the right side, the right guard on the right side. First thing you're gonna do, you're gonna put this edge in the cavity in here first. Let me get closer so you guys see what I'm talking about. So this edge here is gonna go in here in this cavity first. I'm gonna push that in like so. Right after this side is pushed in, we're gonna go to the back. Now I'm doing this with one hand because I got the camera, but we're gonna go to this edge. We're gonna bend a little bit. We're gonna bend it outwards. Focus. All right, we're gonna bend this outwards so that this side could go in. So now I'm gonna do it in the full view so you can see what I mean. So I'm putting this edge in first. Make sure it goes nice and tight inside. And then we're gonna bend this outwards so that this, because obviously if you don't bend it, you see how long it is? So bend it outwards, put this corner in. Once that's nice and tight, then we're gonna bend it inwards. Just make sure that the rubbers go around. Sure. So what you want to do is after it's inside, you want to bring it out, like push it outwards so that it contours or it attaches to the outside trim, because once we put the window up, it's going to sit and lock it in. Now that's exactly what I'm going to do now, is going to put the window up. Window did not like that, I'll tell you that. Let me see something. Is and see, this is what I mean about the trial and error of things. All right, guys. So I was able to get this side in. Basically, the issue that I was having is this corner here. Let me get the camera so I can show you guys. This corner here was pretty much blocking the window. So you got to make sure once it's on, you have to really try to pull it out as much as you can, especially in this corner. And once you do that, it'll sit perfect. Got to make sure it's sticking out. All right, let's do the back. All right, so the back is slightly different. The back, because it doesn't have the shape of the front that you could pretty much, it can anchor itself to the window. This is straightforward. So that's why it has double-sided tape, so that when you put it in, it adheres to the framing of the window. All right, so basically, we just gotta make sure that we got the right side. Take the sticker out. You'll see. Pretty straightforward to see what side is which. If you grab the wrong side, you see that it doesn't match. I'm gonna put it in an angle, angle it out. All right, guys. So after you install it, what you want to do is you want to put your window up. And I just read the instructions, and it says to put the windows up slowly 5 times to make sure that it's on properly. So I already did the 5 times, but it's smooth. And it says the same for the front. So let's do the front. All right, I already did the front 5 times as well. Pretty straightforward and easy. Now let's do the other side. And that's all she wrote, guys. Simple as that. I did the whole testing of the windows up and down. Was gonna let it sit for a day without opening the windows so they could conform perfectly to the molding, I guess, if you want to call it that. Now, what do you guys think? How does it look compared to not having it? I like it. I like the way they look. And not only that, I do like these over the ones that sit on the outside. Even though those are probably better for your windows because they're not touching at all. But these look better because the other ones basically have a border that comes all around and it sticks onto the car. Even though on this car, since it's black, you wouldn't even probably notice it that much, but I like these. These are nice. Now you may be asking, if you don't know what these are for, not only are they for looks, but they are, I mean, it's in the name, rain guard. So basically you're able to put your window down when it's raining, and the rain theoretically won't get into the car, or it won't get inside the car as much as if they weren't installed. There's almost like little umbrellas so that you could still feel some breeze while you drive while it's raining. These are pretty good to have, so definitely recommend them. I've had them on other vehicles before, and they definitely make a big difference. She's a little dirty right now, but there's a few more mods coming in the mail. I already have some mods in the house. Once the weather starts getting a little bit better, I'm going to be doing more of these videos. Today's a little chilly out, but this was a quick project, so I was able to bang it out really quick and not get too cold out here. So guys, I should be editing and uploading this video today. It should be a quick project for me to do that really quick. And going forward, if you guys do have any questions on how they perform, if they're interfering with the windows at all, if they're holding up as far as plastic, you know, if they're falling apart, things like that, you could always ask. Anyways, till the next time, I'll be installing more of these videos coming soon. If you like what you see, like, subscribe, let me know what you think. Boo 617.